Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family, and I'm getting ready to start dinner. Tonight, I'm going to roast a spatchcock chicken. That simply means I'm going to cut the back out, flatten him, and put him out on the sheet pan. So, let's get started. Now, I've got this roasting chicken that I bought today. I'm going to sit him up on his little end here, take my knife. So go down the back here. You'll see there's the backbone. And I'm going to go down. My knife is really sharp, so be careful and cut through those bones. And if you got one you can't get through, just kind of wiggle your knife around a little bit and get through there. Now, I'm going to go down this other side. Watch your fingers. You know, and if you want to save this backbone and throw it in with some other parts of chicken and make you a chicken stock, that would work out real good. So just save you little, stuff like that. Now, I've got a bag here that I'm going to be putting these scraps in. Okay, now. So, what you want to do is kind of cut down that center gristle in the middle there, and it'll help flatten him out. Turn him over. Now, you see I'm working on this plastic board. You hear that crack? Now, look, he's flat. So now, I have sprayed my sheet pan here so he won't stick. And I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. Let me wash my hands. So what I'm going to do here, can you see? See how flat that chicken is once I broke that bone? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to salt and pepper him. First, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on him. Now, I'm going to salt and pepper him. Now, he has no seasoning at all, so we want to season him well. I'm just going to do this outside part, but we're going to add some lemon in here. Now, get him good and seasoned. You got a lot of meat here to season up. Okay, so I've got a lemon. I'm going to cut off the ends of the lemon. And now on this one, the first one, I'm going to cut off a good wedge. Because what I want to do is I want to squeeze some of this lemon juice on top of him. And I've got a seed, so I'm going to have to pick it off. See if I can get it with my knife and I don't have to touch it. There we go. Now I'm going to slice up the lemon and I'm going to put it all around him. I'm going to try to get out the seeds. So we're going to put him in the oven. He has to cook to about 165 degrees internal temperature. So we're going to cook him probably an hour 15, hour 20. We'll check him with our meat thermometer. And all right. Now, I've got some rosemary. And I'm just going to kind of tuck it in where I can. Let's see if I can tuck it in under him without touching him. Think I can do that? I can lift him up with this. There we go. And I didn't have to touch him again, did I? Let's put one more sprig. All right. So let's get him in the oven. I'm not going to cover him. I'm just going to put him in just like this. Now, I want that skin to get golden and crispy. I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour. And then I'll come back and check on him. So, to go with it, I am going to have the potatoes. I'm not ready to cook it yet, but I've got some romaine lettuce. I'm going to cut this down the middle, and I'm going to put some olive oil and salt and pepper on it, and I'm going to sear it on my cast iron pan. And it's so good that way if you've never had it. And then we'll put our favorite dressing on it. I've got some rolls I'm going to do. So if y'all stay with me, I'll be back in a little bit and show you how this is coming together, okay? I just took this chicken out of the oven. It's not done yet. It's only at 160 degrees, but isn't it beautiful already? Now, what I'm going to do, though, you see those juices that are in that pan? I'm going to go ahead and scatter these potatoes around this chicken. And I have some green onions here. And I decided I want to put those in there as well. Go right there, buddy. And I'm going to put this back in the oven. And I'm going to bake it probably another 15, maybe 20 minutes. I want to make sure it's good and done. And I want to get those potatoes done. And then we're going to come back and we're going to get this meal all pulled together. It won't take long. We're getting supper finished up here. Pop's gotten home from work. You ought to be hungry. We've got a roasted chicken with potatoes and green onions. And I'm going to grill us some romaine lettuce. And then we'll put our salad dressing on it. I have used some deviled eggs and some pear salad. Yes, I know you like that. So when you do your lettuce, leave everything attached because you don't want it coming apart. Leave this on there. So we're going to take it and we're going to put it on this grill pan here that I have. Now I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to put some salt and pepper on it.
Looks like you need a bigger pan.
It looks that way, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
It'll be all right. We just want enough to just kind of wilt it a little bit on each end. And these potatoes and that chicken will be out here in just a couple of minutes. So we've got the chicken with potatoes and I put some green onions around it. So I think kind of a healthier spin on dinner instead of fried chicken and mashed potatoes and gravy, which we love.
Oh, yeah. Move it out of the way.
Yeah, look at that chicken. Oh, goodness. Doesn't it look good?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it does.
This is called a Spatchcock Chicken.
You want me to turn it this way where I can get the other pan out?
No, leave the other one in for a couple of minutes. I have some rolls that are in there. So what I want to do, though, is I'm going to take this chicken. It's cooked now, so I can take it and put it on my board. And I'm going to cut it up. Ooh, it's hot. And I'm going to cut it. And then we're going to take our potatoes. Let's get a little bowl to put all of that in. What do you say? All those onions And those potatoes, doesn't it though? Let's get these onions in there. And some of that juice. That juice will be so good. That olive oil and that lemon juice together. Looky there. Looky there. Ooh, that's so good. I think we're done with that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's just set that over there. Now, I'm going to work on cutting this chicken up. We're not worrying about him being cut perfect. We're going to cut him down the middle here. Look, he just cut right in two. And then we're going to cut each half in half. Looky there. Isn't that beautiful? You've got like the chicken, the leg and the thigh quarters. Then you got the breast and the wing. I want to put this on this platter so y'all can see it a little better. Looky there. And see what's left over. We can make some chicken salad or slice it up and make us a sandwich with it. Now, let's swap off our board a little bit. Let's turn this lettuce over. Ooh, can you see that pan? See where it got that little bit of char on it? If you've never tried grilling or pan searing romaine lettuce, I suggest you try it because it is absolutely delicious. It kind of changes the flavor of it just a little bit. Let's start making a plate. What do you say? Then we can come back to that lettuce. You want to start?
What you want on here?
I want a few potatoes and some of that onion. Just a couple of potatoes. Yeah. And I want the leg and thigh quarter.
Which one?
That. What you got right there.
Okay.
Ooh. And a roll. I need to borrow your tongs. See how this lettuce, this romaine is wilting down? Yeah, look at the color. Look at that. That's exactly what you want. And we don't want to go any further with it. That is perfect. If I can get it out of the pan. There we go. And we'll turn that pan off. Looky there. Isn't that gorgeous? I want to taste this chicken before we get off. Let's taste this chicken before we get off of here.
Okay. Sorry.
We can both
You're
just
getting in your way.
both just taste it right here.
Gotcha. I'm sure they can't see it well there, so I'll hold it up. How about that? That's some little pears in the cup.
Beautiful.
Mayonnaise and cheese and put it on this one.
Okay.
How about that?
And grab your fork
I'm
and
making a lot of noise.
I want to try this chicken.
And I'll let it cool a little bit.
That's very good. One of these potatoes.
How is it?
I appreciate each and every one of you. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you would do different, if anything. See you soon, everybody. Thanks. Bye.
Bye now.